Hello subscribers, welcome back by IMMORTAL VEGAN, the immortal vegan. Today I make for you, my subscribers, vegan high tea recipes. Well, somebody asked me that, which there one that I make some English dishes. And high tea is English. So, let us start. I begin with scones.
Vanilla, sugar, wheat flour, baking soda, coconut milk, bananas, jam. On the flour to deepen, please now don't this. Put the flour to deepen, baking soda to its done. Yes, what we do. Put the banana to the recipe. And then the shell of it, put the banana shell of it. Smash the banana and put the milk to it, the coconut milk. All it have to go in one bowl. Put it away for a minute of time. That's what we do for 15 girls. Then put the yam on the...
Bake them in the form that you want.
Nothing so they've been baked. Put the dough in the cake. One that you want for the scones. This is what we do to. This is what we do to. This is how it will be loved like. Now it's put in all the light. On the pants, all the same what it do. This is what we do. This is what we do. Spread the dough in all the places of the cake forms. That's what we do today. The cakes. That's what we make. This is what we do. That's what we do. This is what we do. This is it. Are you been ready? Put the oven on 170 degrees Celsius and let it wait for them. On the oven of 110 degrees Celsius, they're being ready. in the oven.
Number 2, vegan pie sandwiches.
Pie sandwiches, shiitake, nutritional yeast, sweet pepper, baking soda, wheat flour, only flour in one bowl, and pour the baking soda to it, and the water of the shiitake. Put a little bit more water to it till it stick to dough. That's what we do. This is what we do today.
Put a little bit more water to it. Let it rest for 15 minutes. And then
Please, let it steam for a couple of minutes. Cut the shiitake in small batches. Put the shiitake in small batches. Yes, this is what we do. This is it, that is what we do. This is what we do. Make him small, make them small, and are you ready with this? Put the sweet pepper in small patches, make them small, very small. This is what we do today. Nutritional yeast to it, make a to a mixture that you can put in the pie sandwiches. Try to make it. It's not so hard. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Make the dough that you can do it with your hands, so you can use something. Put in the middle of, put in the middle of the dough. The stuff that you want to have in the pie sandwiches. They're being so delicious. I say, try to make one. Put it on one board so you can wait it on. Let it go, that's why how we make this away. That's how we look. That's me, vegan
number
cookies.
3, my vegan cookie recipe. It's not actually true English dish, but I think you like it, so I put it to my high tea.
White flour, lemon, black baking sugar, cinnamon, 1 banana. Body flour, 2 eggs. This is one easy one. Put on little bits of lemon juice and cinnamon. Put it in the cookies. Put the sugar in the dough as well. Put a little bit of water to it. Slowly and do it all well, so that it can stick together, and it not go to turning a disaster. Are you alternate in wonder? Put it in the heat. And one put it in the fresh for 10 minutes or maximum 1 hour. And put it down on one place. See what we are going to do. Put 1 flower around the table and make that it sticks on the left side of it. Then cut it. Then all you have done it. Glide it with your hands, measured on the table. Make it clear, make it flat. Make it flat. Cut it in pieces and put it on the oven plate. Let it cook for 7
So, are you
20
well that I make
minutes,
banana tea?
100 degrees Celsius.
What else? I try to make the recipe for you. So, give this video a thumbs up. Are you all new to my channel? Subscribe. Be one of my followers. And I go to eat my afternoon tea meal. And I'll see you next time. Barometer out. Go vegan. It's not so hard. It's not so hard to do. Do it for the animals. They don't deserve this.
Go vegan. There's a right way to live.